Hey guys, what's up? Colin here with Mr.Fence Tools, and I got some cool products to show you guys. I've got the Easy Hole templates. So what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to route any size hole to fit any vinyl rail, either out in the field or in the shop, wherever you need to get this done at. So the way this works is we have a main frame, and this frame works with 5 or 4 inch vinyl posts. But you'll see there's a pocket inside this frame. That's to allow for any one of these inserts and all the different sizes we have to be put in here. This is a plug and play system. So I got a 2 by 3.5 hole here. This insert slides right down in here like that. Boom. You're in here and you're ready to go. I need to switch it out. I need to put another hole size in here. It's as simple as taking it out, putting the other one in here. Now you'll see on the back we have these tabs. That not only holds this insert in here, but that's going to center this on the post for you every time. Vertically, this is for a 5 inch post. If you turn these in, this is going to be for a 4 inch vinyl post, centered and ready to go. So how's all this work? How do we put this together? We got vinyl posts here. What you're going to do is you're going to take your template with your frame. It's going to go on the post like so. So the way this works, we got this on our post, frame and insert, but we have a special router bit we use for that. Our router bit here has a bearing that's going to ride the inside edge of this template. When you get these, they're going to be oversized. Don't freak out. So the way this works, this bearing rides the inside edge of this frame. We come in here and we cut this hole out. You're done, take it off, and that's what you end up with after you're routed. Fully finished hole, ready to put a rail in. Simple, quick, easy. If you want your fence company to be more efficient, check out MrFenceTools.com.
All right, so what we have to do is turn an end post here into a corner. So we got an end with holes on one side and no holes on the other 3 sides. One of the fastest ways to do that with the Easy Hole template kit is to take a line post and lay it on top of the side you want to route. So if we lay it on top, we're going to use it as a template. Flush it up on the top, flush it up on the sides. So make sure this is flush and this is flush here. Or you sit on inside the hole and trace the hole inside. And really all we're really worried about is the top and bottom, because the template kit itself will center itself. The Easy Hole template kit, this is a 2 by 3.5 hole. So we use the 2 by 3.5 insert. Those inserts go in and out. So we put different size inserts. This insert will be bigger than the hole. So if you hold it up there and look at it, a lot of times that'll throw people off because they'll see that the insert is bigger than the hole. It's supposed to be bigger than the hole because it's for the router bit collar. So the cutting edge of the router bit is that same distance in. So this is oversized so that the collar rides on this and it cuts a hole smaller, that size. That way the router bit won't damage the template insert. That's why it's done that way. Turn these brackets vertical and it gives you a 5 inch opening, which means it'll fit snugly on a 5 inch post. Centered on there, that's already centered. If we have 4 inch posts, we turn these horizontal and this will fit 4 inch posts and center itself. So this is all we're really worried about, is this mark and this one, and the same thing in the top and bottom of that one. So put this on top and center it. So we have the same distance here as we do here in the bottom, top and the bottom. All we gotta do is center that. Put our clamp on. You could pre-drill this if you want to with a drill bit to put this in, or you can plunge around this end of the hole. Just like that. End up with a nice, clean factory hole. Okay, so again, make it look centered. All right, now because this pole is a transition, going on a very steep grade, we're gonna make the hole longer. So we need to figure out which side that is. This is gonna go down the driveway, this is gonna go up the hill. So we need to make this hole longer by a 1/2 inch, because that hill is almost a 40-degree angle. So, the thing I did was set that back down there, like that. Just like that. Now we'll need to put that in the hole.